guys, welcome to another vlog, and this time we are in Shanghai, and this is actually a very special one for me because I used to live here in 2018. I lived here for a year. Oh, look at that. Now I'm here on a business trip. I'm working at TikTok, so they sent me here on an off-site. However, I'm sure I will have tons of free time to explore the city, go back to my neighborhood, and bring you along with me. So let's go. So guys, I'm back in China and I'm so excited. I lived here in 2018 and since then I haven't been back. I'm super happy. Come with me to discover Shanghai in 2025 because I'm sure that it's very different from the Shanghai that I knew. And here's where I'm staying. Okay guys, so this is my hotel. It looks more like a mall. This is fancy. And the best part is that it's paid by my company, so I love it. Come with me to discover my room. Let's go. Guys, this looks like a suite. Wow, what is this? Toilet? It's automatic! Wow! And of course, as we're in the land of technology, we have all the cleansing styles. The shower. Guys, it's huge, I swear. We have this mirror. And yeah, by the way, I'm recording this vlog with my phone because my camera just died. So let's see how it goes. My favorite part. Bathtub and with views to the city. Wow. This room is so amazing that I feel like it's a waste. Like I feel like I want to allocate at least one day to just stay in and enjoy the comfort of this room. Like, wow. Okay, you guys, can we take a moment to just appreciate the amazing views now at night? Wow. Being here watching TV and ooh. So we're here waiting for my taxi, which was only 2 euros. I love how cheap Ubers are here. Guys, I'm telling you, China is ahead of the game with absolutely everything and how they think about everything. So like, you can order anything here, not only food. They leave it there. You don't have to meet with your driver. You can come down and pick it up whenever you want. And this is here in the hotel. It's just amazing. Guys, I don't know how to explain to you how special this place is to me, but I always used to come here when I was living here. I cannot believe that I'm back here. This is one of my favorite restaurants in Shanghai. The vibes, and it was not so far from my house, so it's so emotional to be back here. Let's see if it changed or it's still good. And here we have it. Wow. I must say that before it came with the French fries. Now you have to order them separately, but still. I don't know why they don't do this in every place. And this is how you wake up in Shanghai. Good morning. Okay, sorry, but I cannot get enough of these views. What do you think? Are they better during the day or at night? Wow, beautiful day outside. Okay, you guys, day 2 in Shanghai, and today is a special one because I'm gonna take you with me to visit my old house where I used to live. So it's a special and emotional one for me, so come along. And then we will also explore like the rest of Shanghai. So of course, the first thing we're gonna do is get a bike. This is my favorite way to move around Shanghai. Whenever the way is not too long and it forces us to use like a Didi, which is like the Uber here. So let's cycle. Woo! Wow, just a quick stop to appreciate the view. Love it. I love you, Shanghai. Again, if you're not a city person, you might not be impressed by this, but I am, so I love it. This is my street, you guys. Oh my god, so exciting. Oh my god, you guys, I made it. This behind me is my old condo where I used to live for a whole year. This was my building, this one. Okay, so we're inside already. I know this doesn't mean much to you, but to me it means a lot. Anyways, just look how beautiful condos are here. Like, we have this green area and park for children like inside the condo. You can chill there. There are some benches. There's like a tennis court, which I never used, by the way. And this was the entrance to my home. Just being able to be here and take this trip down memory lane is so very special. Shanghai is a city that it's alive and it's rapidly changing, but what didn't change a bit is like my condo, and it's so magical being able to be here and just find it as I left, the way I left it like 7 years ago. I'm really grateful to be here. Okay, you guys, I'm trying to go to the bakery that was next to my house where I always used to go on the weekends to write on my journal and just have breakfast. If that place doesn't exist anymore, I'm gonna have a breakdown. So let's try our luck. I feel like a lot of these places are new. Wow. Honestly, guys, you would need like a whole year to try like all the different restaurants and cafeterias here in Shanghai. So many places, so many things going on. I just love it. Restaurant. Bakery, cafe, restaurant, I don't know, restaurant. Oh my god, you guys, it still exists. It's here. Here it is. Oh my god, I love this place so much. Is it just me who's obsessed with this kind of super cute shops? Yeah, culprit. And look at the beautiful day. You guys, this is literally my neighborhood. This is the mall where my gym was and still is, up there. So Asia is big on malls. There are so many. This is just one of many that it's next to my house. It has absolutely everything, even KTV, every kind of business. Again, this is my street. Straight ahead, you get to my house. And yeah, something I love about the city is how bike friendly it is. It's full of bikes, motorbikes. Well, you guys, one of those used to be my office. I used to work here. That's crazy. Not that I'm fond of my old company, but since I was here, I figured that I would come and visit it. This is where I used to work when I was a corporate body. Okay, so we're in Tianzifang now, which is one of the very popular neighborhoods here. It's just like a lot of cute alleyways with a lot of shops where you can just buy whatever. It's just very touristy. So basically all you get, it's like tons of shops, but also tons of people. That's how it is.
Green tea, nuts, and the backlight cookie.
Oh. This is tea?
What is this one? Cookie. Backlight cookie.
Oh, and then this one has...
Okay, this one.
Okay, so let's try this one. It's very sticky. I don't know if I like it. Look how cute. Okay, so I don't know when you're gonna be watching this vlog, but we're right now in the middle of the Labubu craze, and I just have to jump on the bandwagon. Just got myself a Labubu. It's a fake one though. From food to crafts. Wow. Delicious. Wow, look at this. Okay, the pork one. Did you try it? Okay. Is it good?
Wow, I like it.
Yeah? So we're already out of Tianzifang. I'm sorry, I'm just butchering that. Yo, you guys, this is the city of motorbikes and bikes in general. Look at all of that. Let me show you my favorite thing about China and actually Asia in general, and it's these super local street food places where you can have the most delicious meal super cheap. You don't have to cook a day in your life here if you don't want to. You eat amazing food for only $3, like the noodles plus this, and you end up full. welcome to another day in Shanghai. Let's get down to business. What we came here for is actually work, so that's what we're gonna do today. But I'm gonna bring you along, so if you're interested in knowing what a life at TikTok in Shanghai it's like, come with me because we're gonna find out together. Just for the record, I work at TikTok in London. I'm on a business trip now here in China, like to meet the team. So let's see. Corporate look check. Feeling like a business lady, waiting here for my cab to go to work. Let's go. So here's the TikTok campus with buildings, offices, and honestly, I feel like I'm back in college because there's a lot of people and they all look so young, so I feel like back in university. There are cafes, bookstores, and even a pet shop with cats. Yeah, I know that's odd at your workplace, but here you have it. They're all super cute. For confidentiality reasons, I cannot show you the inside of the offices, but look, it's TikTok. I can show you the views though. Look how beautiful. And our snacks, we have a lot. By the way, fun fact, did you know that in China they eat gluten? Yeah, this is literally like a gluten snack, just gluten. And speaking of snacks, lunchtime, here we have the canteen. Every building has like 4 different ones with different menus, so you can choose which one you go to depending on what you want to eat. Because by the way, like TikTok in China provides free breakfast, lunch, and even dinner, and it's delicious. Look at some of my meals. In London, we just get breakfast and lunch. Then after work, we went to a team building. Oh, by the way, this is the Louis Vuitton Mall. Yeah, it's literally a mall. And here we are. We came to a KTV, National Sport, and it's one of the most VIP ones in town, I think. Look how beautiful the design. Here we have a row of bodyweight stuff. And here's our VIP room for 30 people. Oh my God, it feels so exclusive and luxurious. And look, we have a wardrobe, private bathroom, and even football table. You can select songs by language, singer, you can find any you want. We just had the time of our lives. Well, you guys, and now I'm bringing you to the hallmark of the hallmarks in Shanghai. This is the famous skyline of the city, and when you think of Shanghai, this is the image that should come to mind. So check it out. We're in the Bund. This is the beautiful skyline by the river. It's full of lights everywhere. That's like the business district. Like it's just full of companies, offices, and also hotels and high-end restaurants. Guys, last one, I swear. I can't get over these views and I can't believe today is the last day that I'm seeing it in this light. I'm honestly so sad. I'm not ready to leave this life of comfort and this level of luxury. Today I have to check out of this amazing hotel. I just want to reenact my life of 2018 when I lived here, so I just want to go back to my neighborhood, hang out there. I've already showed you that, so I'm not gonna film it, but then I will take you to some other places that I might show you. Well, you guys, if you have the chance to come here, I fully recommend it. The walk is super peaceful, like you're by the river, there are a lot of trees, the sights of the mall are just impressive, lots of people coming for a jog or just a walk. So if you can, I just recommend coming here. It's a really short walk. It's just for the sake of seeing this, but it's so beautiful. I mean, just look at this. Just look at the walk. It's so beautiful. And at this time, I feel like it's the perfect light. So you guys, I want to show you something. Check it out. Like this is basically a mall, but just like with a very modern architecture. Okay guys, I cannot explain to you how amazing this city is at night. Like it has totally different vibes. I feel like during the day it has one personality and at night it has another one. Okay, place your bets. How much you think Yves Saint Laurent has paid to have like that ad displayed on the building? Hey guys, so now we're coming for a stroll to one of the most popular streets in Shanghai, which is East Nanjing Road. Don't ask me why it's popular. It's just like a shopping street, but I feel like everywhere in Shanghai it's like that because like you have restaurants, bars, and shops for years and years and years. But this is one of the most popular ones. And actually, fun fact, even though Shanghai is one of the most populated cities in the world, it's also one of the biggest by extension. So that means that everything's pretty spread out. So there are very few places that you go to where like streets are actually jam-packed and crowded with people. This is one of them. This is the busiest a street in Shanghai can get. Okay, so this is paradise for anyone who likes to shop, like Pandora, M&M's, and the shop looks cool as hell. Sephora. I mean, this literally looks like Disneyland. Look at that, 2 floors of fun. Yeah, sorry, I'm not gonna make this like a vlog about how the shops are on the inside. Sorry if you were interested in that, so let's just go for a walk. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, street food. This is like sort of a kebab. First time I see them doing them like this. And we're getting to the end of it. There we have the Bund, the end of Nanjing Road with reaching the Bund. Well guys, I've just bumped into a crowd of people. I don't know what's going on, but I think there's someone famous. Like actually it looks like a theater or something like that. Maybe some Chinese K-pop idols, but I don't know. I feel like everyone here is so respectful and so collected. Like if it was anywhere else, like people would be going nuts, but here they are all like very respectful and mindful of like these celebrities. It's so beautiful to see. I think it's part of the Asian culture and respect. So if any of you in the audience are Chinese or know these people, like please let me know, because I'm really curious to know who I've been next to. Well guys, and something I love about Shanghai is that it's full of bars, and many of them are super small and they only have even like one bar. Like the only place where you can sit is the bar, but I find them super cute and cozy. And right now I'm in one of them and they have shishas. Plus it's in the street that I used to live in, Sanxi. So it's super special to be so close to my old house. Just look at this. Can it get any better than this, you guys? I don't think it can get any better than this. You tell me. Like these are literally my views. I don't know about you, but I just love them because this is my street. I used to live like further down.